Welcome to the part 2 of the Ramazan vlog, and I've got everything that I bought from Ramazan Bazaar on this table. There are a lot of Malay food right in front of me, and right now we're going to try these Malay cuisines and we're going to tell you how do they taste like. Yes, I said we. I'm not going to be doing this alone. I'll be having two of my friends right with me. So let's just meet my friends. So the ultimate taste experts are here and she can't stop eating. Okay, so we are finally going to start.
I'm hungry.
Wait for the food, okay? Okay, the first thing that we're going to taste.
Are you here for eating watermelon or what?
Stop eating watermelon. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to try is this roll, and we're going to score it out of 10. So off you go, guys. Bon appetit. It's crunchy. That's a good thing, right? No fish. No fish,
I
right?
like the sauce.
It's sweet.
It's nice.
It's nice. You don't like it? I would give it 7.5 out of 10. I was
Let
shocked.
me have a more bite because I did not have any of the pudding.
10 out of 10. 3 out of 10. Wow.
7-ish, not more than that, because
Seven.
the outer sauce has a very strong taste and the inside filling I cannot make up what it tastes like.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to try, only if she can stop eating watermelons, is satay. Satay are like barbecue, Malaysian barbecue. It's just chicken marinated in barbecue stuff. So we're going to try it. Okay guys, ready? Clean your palates.
It's nice.
It's really good. It's
It's
really good.
sweet.
You should have more of it.
It's sweet. It has
It is
Smoky,
sweet,
smoky.
flavor, sweet Asian smoky flavor. Straight 8 out of 10.
I like it. I'll give it 8.5.
Tough judge here, tough judge here.
I have not had such.
Can you stop eating watermelons? Okay.
You want me to clean my palate? No.
So clean it with the water. Okay, the next thing that we're going to try is roti john. It's one of the typical Malay cuisines we have here in Malaysia. It's like ande wala burger we have in Pakistan. Right? Ande wala burger.
And with lots of ketchup.
Give me the smaller one.
I just
Just have a bite. Okay, I have to play the thing as well. Okay, guys, off you. मुझे अंडे वाला burger. No fish, right? Kind of sweet, but
it's butter.
it's nice.
It's nice, but I'd say it has a bit more salt than required.
That's why I'm liking it.
Do they have an egg inside it?
Yeah.
So it's like an ande wala burger.
Yeah, it is an
With
umbrella
lots of
burger.
ketchup and onion.
It's a lot of ketchup. It's saucy.
Yeah, lots of ketchup.
Right. Not bad though.
7.5 on 10.
Okay.
8.
Okay, clean your palate from this.
What's your score?
8 out of 10. Okay, the next thing would be Korean spicy original wings. Sorry guys, I'm using my hand, but my hands are clean. Don't get wrong. It's wings, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spicy.
So it's gonna be spicy, right? So let's just.
So,
So like it's kind of hard to bite, take a bite, right?
mine is fine.
Because you have a drumlet and I have a wing.
And I like it.
It's spicy.
Better than what I expected.
How much did you score it?
8.5 on 10.
7 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Finally we have a winner. 9s.
What should you try next?
The weird chicken balls, probably.
I'm not sure if I want to have them.
This is called like tofu yaki. It has a very weird name. Because I read it, it was written over there. So
You know, in my language, tofu means sarcasm.
I'm not
Yeah.
sure. What's your language? Sindhi.
Sindhi.
Oh,
Yes.
Dado mazo aayo. Dado.
Accepting a big I know.
Why
Dado mazo aayo.
Why this is like?
It's very squishy and the weird texture, right? The texture is very weird.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if
It's like
I want to
fishy.
eat it, but
I got a secret inside. Like they have a sausage put inside this one. Do you have a sausage
Yeah,
inside it?
what's in this?
I'll have to see. Okay,
No, I can't. I can't just grab it.
No, try it.
it's nice. No,
It's
it's
nice.
nice.
It smells.
मुझे लग रहा था कि इसमें मछली होगी लेकिन there is no fish inside.
It's nice, it's nice.
It's
It has sausage and some importing it.
But I'm getting those fishy vibes.
Yeah.
Like,
I got it.
the crab like feeling. Like I don't like
Don't
crabs.
say that. I like it.
3 out of 10.
Not that bad.
How much do you score it?
7.
It's really bad. It really doesn't deserve it at all. It's a pita sandwich, right? It's like one of the very popular
It's
things.
basically a shawarma and a pita bread.
Yeah.
Give me a
I'm
smaller
gonna
piece.
मास्टर शेफ वाले मुझे देखें जिस तरह मैं खाना सर्व कर रहा हूँ मुझे उन्होंने गोली मार देनी
Is that going to go in the vlog as well?
Yeah, it will. They should know we are sarcastic. Okay, yeah, this is the thing we're going to try. It's like a pita bread and it's very squishy. Most of the Malay food are very squishy. They put a lot of sauces on it. It's like, okay, so we're going to try it. It's like a pita which is trying to be a shawarma but ended up as something very squishy. Okay, 6 out of 10.
You should give it 10 out of 10 because you're a big fan of sauces.
No, I don't like sweet sauces. I like savory. Okay,
I'll also give it 6 on 10.
5.
5 out of 10. Okay. So now is the time. You know, you try it. Let's go. So now is the time. All of us are going to pick our favorite dish. Like what is the thing that we like the most? So what I like the best? I have to go with this one because this was very crunchy and it was vegetarian, no smelly fish. So for me, the rolls with the bean sprouts inside it, it's a winner for me. How about you, Aisha?
For me, I think I like the Korean wings the most.
Korean wing. For you,
Yeah,
Korean wing.
Yeah.
Korean wings.
Otherwise, all
They
of
are
our
the
winners.
winner.
They both went for Korean wings, and for me, the rolls were the winner. So I hope you liked the video because
What is it doing?
what is the zone? I can't do anything about it. Thank you. We should end the video. Why did you end the video? Finish the video. Closing remarks. Let's do it.
Okay guys, so we had a lot of fun shooting this vlog for you. This was my first YouTube experience. I'm very camera shy, but having a
Can
vlogger
you stop
friend,
reading compliments?
no, when having a vlogger friend makes you do such kind of things. So I loved having iftar today. More than the food, it's about the company, the friends that we have, and the sharing that we do. That what I like most about the food, and of course Ramzan is also the month of sharing. So I had a great time shooting with them. What are you guys gonna say?
That was already the closing remarks.
Yeah,
I was already
alright.
closing it. Okay guys, see you in another vlog.
Bye.
तुम ही बाय करो. बाय करो ना तुम्हारे बाय से.
Okay.
Princess वाला बाय.
Okay, 1, 2,
Two, Princess
3.
बाय. Bye.
Bye.